Hey guys, my name is Luke Purser and I'm a certified personal trainer and motion specialist in Birmingham, Alabama. This video is part of a series we have made on lifting for the youth athlete. If you haven't watched the Start Here video yet, go back and watch it before continuing. That video includes safety precautions you will need to know for each exercise. If you have watched the Start Here video, great, let's get started. Let's learn how to do a hang clean. This exercise is designed to promote high rates of force, speed, and power output without a complicated move from the floor. When performing the hang clean, the bar is going to start on the ground, but eventually it will come up to where you're holding the bar, and that's when the movement will start. You want to step up to the bar, and you want to have your feet at least hip width apart. You want to have your toes facing forward. You want to have that bar cutting your foot in half to where your toes are on the other side and you can see them. So when you pick up the bar, you're going to want to stand tall with a broad chest, shoulders back, and the bar is going to stay moving between your knees and your hips. You're going to have your knees slightly bent, you're going to push your hips back, and from here, you're going to press your hips forward, shrug tall, and what that's going to do is allow the bar to have momentum to make it easier for you to catch the bar in the end position. You're going to end in a squat position, so it's important to have your heels on the ground at all times. I'll demonstrate. Picking up the bar, standing tall, shoulders are back, slight bend in the knees. You're going to press the hips back, violently shoot the hips forward, shrugging the shoulders, catching into a squat position. Some pointers here to really think about because it'll make this complicated for you if you don't fix it. So, shoulders rolling forward at the start, which will eventually round your back, which will put a lot of stress on your lower back when you initially pick up the bar. Having those knees caving in when you catch it into the squat position. You also want to have those heels staying firm on the ground and not, when you're squatting, having those toes pressing to the ground. That'll put a lot of stress on the knees. So I'll demonstrate one more time the right way to do a hang clean. A good rep scheme to start off with is 3 to 5 reps. I would start light, maybe even with the bar, so you understand how to get the movement down. It's a complicated movement, so you want to start light with the weight, and then when you get comfortable, add some weight and go to work. To watch more strength training tutorials, check out the playlist linked in the description below to access the rest of the exercise sequence. Or, if you live in the greater Birmingham area and are interested in personal training, you can also find that link below to request an appointment on our website. We have many personal trainers who are excited to help you at any stage of your fitness journey. Now, get off YouTube and go have a great day at the gym.